What's going on, everybody? Jesse from Powur Solar Energy back with another video. I wanted to make this video about how to sell solar online, how to do digital sales, essentially meeting people on Zoom. And, I'm not actually the best person to be discussing the actual sales process itself. I'm more of a person that is able to get in front of referral partners, have them refer the business to me. And then what I do is I split the sale 50-50 with sales reps that have been in solar for many, many years. Eventually, I'm going to learn how to sell solar myself when it becomes available in New York, on Long Island, where my current real estate clients are. And that's kind of one of the reasons why I choose not to sell it on my own right now, is because I am in two businesses right now. And Powur allows me to leverage this platform however I see fit. And I basically saw a way of generating this business through using my virtual assistant to reach out to potential referral partners, mainly realtors, loan officers, roofers, really just anybody that's working with homeowners is a good candidate. But those are the three professions that I really go after right now, because that's who's in my network. And I created a course for anybody that wants to do the same thing, because I really do have a process that's built out and that's working for me right now. As you can see, I actually have an appointment in 10 minutes from now with Tiffany, and I have 13 other appointments this week, and it's Monday, and that means that we're going to have more appointments scheduled for this week, and I could have over anywhere from like 15 to 20 appointments this week. So I really have gotten this down to a science. So I've decided to put this into a course, teach people how to leverage a virtual assistant that can do this on autopilot for 8 hours a day for them while they're doing other prospecting methods for their business. So if you're able to sell virtually right now with whatever company that you're with right now, this can be applicable, especially if they are in multiple different states. If they're not, I highly suggest checking out Powur, because we're able to do that in 25 states. I do give a big discount on this course for anybody that joins me at this company. Right now, this course is going for $2,000 because I don't want to saturate this method. I really do want the people that are going to jump into this, take advantage of it, and start getting a lot of success out of it. But anybody that partners with me in business is going to get a big discount on this, because anytime that you actually sell a project, get an install, I do make an override on that, and that's why I give that big discount. So if you want to learn a little bit more about Powur and you're not there already, that information should be in the link in the description. If you are on YouTube, and you can check that out. So this is actually the course itself. It has a bunch of different modules that you can go through. I actually have like one or two things that I want to add to it right now that I've been finding success with lately. So I'm going to be updating this course as I find additional things that are working for myself as well. I'm always testing new things. So that's pretty much that. I mean, you get access to a software. It's basically it's built off of software called High Level. If you're familiar with that, you get a year of this when you purchase this course. So you have all the tools that are necessary to automatically follow up with the people that you have appointments with. So if they need to reschedule, they'll just let you know. There's processes that can get them to get on your calendar again rescheduled just by clicking a button. And basically this whole process is built out so your assistant comes into your calendar, books the meetings for you, and it's all notifying you when you have new appointments, and you can check your Google Calendar and see all your appointments coming up, which I actually have one, like I said, in a couple minutes. I'm going to hop on there. But yeah, I just want to make this quick video because I see a lot of people trying to start to switch their prospecting methods from door to door or like cold calling, which I think all those methods are actually essential and should still be done, and you should make time for those methods in any business. I do cold calling for real estate. I run ads for real estate. And I'm doing this for solar, and this is pretty much my only prospecting method now. It is a little bit slower to get sales because not like every single real estate agent is going to have a client of theirs that's thinking about going solar, today, right? But the whole point is to get them in as a referral partner, or you're going to recruit them to your company if you have an incentive to do that. You do need to have a good referral program though with whatever company that you're currently working for. Because that's pretty much the whole incentive to get them on the Zoom meeting and to bring them on as a referral partner. It's got to have like very little to no obligation, and it's going to help actually book these meetings, right? So basically everything that I'm talking about is explained in the course, and I do have a free little section that you can go into if you hop into the link in the description to check out the course, and you fill out your name, email, and phone number. It actually will give you a couple modules for free. Just to check out the first get started section, if you want to just check that out first. And And yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know. Happy to help with this. But I would love to see you guys join at Powur. That's my whole idea with this, is to help all the people that are joining me at Powur and help us all expand and do a lot of business together, because the whole idea is to be able to have a bunch of people send you the business, so you're not constantly prospecting all the time. You build a big referral network, and then that network will be nurtured through some of the emails that we'll be sending out to these people with any new promotions from Powur, any news in the solar industry, and that will keep people updated and have them reach back out to you when they have clients thinking about going solar. This industry is just it's just booming right now with the 30% tax credits right now in the U.S. There's a lot of opportunity in the solar space. Even if you're not a solar professional, if you're working with homeowners, big opportunity to step into this, not even necessarily learn how to sell solar with Powur. You can leverage other mentors and other salespeople, split the deals 50-50 with those people. They can go on the Zoom meetings, or they can even do in-person appointments, which I was able to do with one of my mentors in California. I'm in New York. I had one guy go out to an in-person appointment, and they got the contract signed. And then I had another person do a Zoom meeting, which we're still working on that person to go solar. But this is the process, right? Where I don't even necessarily need to be on the sales call in order to have an online business, essentially, right? Where I don't even have to be the solar professional. I know this video is titled "How to Sell Solar Virtually," but this is essentially how to have an online business in the solar industry. And eventually I might learn how to sell solar on my own and give a little bit more advice on actually how to sell it at that point. But this video was more about how to actually get the appointments, how to build a big referral network across many different states, leveraging a virtual assistant, and being able to make money online in this industry, just in a unique and different way. So if you like this video, give me a like. If you have any questions, let me know down below. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.